How's it going, guys? It's Jayton back again today talking about what is lemon balm extract. But first, before we get into this one, I want to give you the chance to hit that subscribe button. We're going to be coming out with tons of content just like this, and we want to give people the tools that they need in order to make informed decisions about the supplements that they're putting into their body. So if you want to help us on that mission, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's get into this one. Lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis, is a aromatic perennial herb in the mint family, known for its distinct smell. It was actually first used in ancient Turkey and ancient Greece to keep honeybees happy in their current hive and to attract wandering honeybee swarms, which is quite interesting. So the Greeks could actually get more honey, which is quite fascinating. Lemon balm extract has been shown to increase calmness, improve mood and memory, and help reduce anxiety. It does this because it works on different pathways in the nervous system to help promote relaxation, which is really good. The minimum effective dose is about 300 milligrams, but the effects may increase whenever the quantity consumed increases, and so it's going to be dose dependent. To receive an effective dose, lemon balm can be consumed through essential oils, tea, or supplementation. We actually have a very good dose of lemon balm extract in UMZU Sleep, so if you want to check that out, you can find that in the link in the description. And that's all I got for this one today. Please, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you learned something in this video, and then comment down below if you have any more topics you'd like to cover, or if you have any tips or tricks that we can use to make these videos better for you guys. That's always the goal. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.